welcome to Rubies TV. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make a welt pocket. I already sewed a dart for this welt pocket. Of course, if you are doing this on a plain blouse, you don't need to sew a dart, but because this is on a trouser, I sewed a dart for it. Okay, because the width of this welt pocket will be 5 inches, I need to get the middle of 5 inches, which is 2.5, and then I'll let that 2.5 mark sit on the line where the dot line is. Taking a straight ruler, I'm going to draw a straight line. And I'm doing this at the tip of the dart that I already made for these trousers. Meanwhile, you can use this pattern for any type of welt pockets. You can use this pattern for blouses, you can use it for suits, you can use it for trousers, but I'm doing this on a trouser. So I'm trying to extend the line. Then I already have a piece that I pressed in a gum stir. You can use a cloth gum, you can use a gum stir. I have two pieces, so I'm going to fold this into two and then give a knot at the middle. I'm likewise going to do the same thing on the other piece. So I'll gently take that piece of cloth and place it, making sure that the knot matches where the dart is, and then the other one too will be placed against the knot, making sure it matches where the dart is. So both of them are going to be on the same spot. Then with my pen, I'm trying to make sure that I extend the mark on the cloth so that when I start sewing, I will know where to stop sewing. Then I'm giving a 1/2 inch mark on that piece because that is what I'll be sewing on. I'll be sewing on a 1/4 inch mark. So I'm going to take it all the way down, and I'm going to still do the same thing on the other piece. So I'm going to take this over to the machine and I will sew on that 1/4 inch mark that I marked already. Now I've sewn it on the machine and this is what I have. So the next thing I'm going to do is to fold this fabric into two, making sure the lines are on spot. Then with my scissors, I'm going to cut into that line a little before I open it up. I'm going to go away like 1 inch from that place that I marked, and then I'm going to I'm marking where I need to stop cutting, and I'm going to do it on both sides. So with my scissors, I'll gently cut on that line, making sure I don't cross that 1 inch mark I gave. Now when I get to the 1 inch mark, you're going to turn your scissors, making sure you are giving it a bevel cut, and I'm going to cut along that line till I get to where the stitch is. I'm still going to do the same thing on the other side, giving it a V shape. Gently cutting, make sure you don't cut the sewing you already made. And then I have this is called a tongue. I am going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side of the piece. So this is what we have. Okay, I'll gently fold this upper side inside before I start working on the lower side. Now for this lower angle, what I'm going to do, because I sewed on a 1/4 inch mark on both sides, so the down part was 1/4 inch and then the up part was 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch plus 1/4 inch will give you a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to mark a 1/2 inch on this part of the piece. So I'm gently marking a 1/2 inch, making sure that I get it correct, and then I've already marked it, and then I'm gently trying to fold on that mark, on the 1/2 inch mark, and then this is what I have. I'm going to also tuck this particular side inside, making sure I take everything in. I'm trying to adjust this fabric so you get to see what I already did. So this is our welt pocket, like it is ready to be used. So I'm gently going to give this a nice press, but before I do that, I'll flip this over and go over to the machine and sew on this. I'm going to sew on this side and then on the other side. So on the machine, I'm trying to gently sew it because what I'm going to sew is not quite big, so it's just going to be a little stitch to hold that tongue down. Sewing front and backwards. Then I'm done with that. I'm going to do the same thing at the other side. So this is our pocket. It is ready. You can put your hand inside. You can use this kind of pocket for a suit. You can use it for a shirt. You can use it for whatever you like. So I'm trying to put something inside so that you guys will see what the pocket actually looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a nice press. But before I do that, I want to cover the back of the pocket so that it won't leak. It won't be a leaking pocket. So I already have a piece that I cut out. It depends on how long you want your pocket to be, but you don't have to make it quite long. So I'm going to go over to the machine and join this area together on that mark. Then I have a longer piece that I already cut out. I'm going to also put it on this and then go over to the machine and join everything together, and also overlock it so have it won't be leaking. So guys, this is all about it. This is our welt pocket, and our welt pocket is ready. So try it out and let me know what you think.